You're about to spend $30,000 on an SUV that a mechanic would never buy. Not because it looks bad, not because it drives badly, because he has seen what happens to it at 150,000 miles, and you have not. The difference between the SUV that runs forever and the one that strands you is not price. It is not brand. It is 5 specific models that keep showing up in 12 years of data across nearly 400 million vehicles. We are going to go through all 5 of them right now. What you are about to hear is not opinion. It is 12 years of odometer data across nearly 400 million vehicles, cross-referenced with repair frequency, major failure rates, and what mechanics actually see rolling into their bays over and over again. 5 SUVs rose to the top of that data, not because they were marketed well, because they lasted. And by the time we get to number 1, you are going to understand exactly why the industry never advertises this information. Let's start at number 5. The Honda CR-V. It tends to get overlooked in longevity conversations because it does not have the rugged, go-anywhere reputation of some of the other vehicles on this list. But ignore it at your own financial peril. The CR-V is a compact SUV that regularly surpasses 200,000 miles with proper maintenance, and it appears on the iSeeCars' longest-lasting vehicle study year after year. Honda's engineering philosophy has always prioritized mechanical simplicity. Fewer complex systems means fewer things that can go wrong at 150,000 miles. RepairPal rates the CR-V well above average for reliability in its class, and average repair costs per visit run lower than most competitors in the segment. Because so many of them are on the road, used parts are widely available and mechanics know them cold. If your budget limits what you can spend, this is the vehicle that stretches the furthest. Stay with me because number 4 is going to surprise a lot of people. The Chevrolet Suburban. Given General Motors' reputation in other areas, and that reputation is not entirely undeserved, this one catches people off guard. But the Suburban earns its spot by the data alone. iSeeCars found it ranks among the top 4 longest-lasting SUVs available, with a 22% predicted chance of reaching 250,000 miles. That is nearly 3 times the industry average. The Suburban runs on GM's body-on-frame architecture, the same bones used on heavy-duty work trucks. It is built for sustained load and sustained use over years of hard driving. What matters is that at its core, the Suburban is not a complicated vehicle. The frame, the drivetrain, the basic suspension geometry, these have proven themselves across decades of production. This nameplate has been in continuous production since 1935, the oldest automotive nameplate in America. That kind of staying power does not happen by accident, and it does not happen by luck. Number 3. The Toyota Land Cruiser. For decades, this was the global benchmark. Fleet operators across Africa, Australia, and the Middle East, environments where a broken vehicle is not an inconvenience, but a life-threatening situation, chose the Land Cruiser. Not because Toyota had the best marketing budget, but because the Land Cruiser came back. iSeeCars ranks it among the longest-lasting SUVs ever documented by independent research, with owner examples regularly pushing past 300,000 miles. Toyota stopped selling the Land Cruiser in the United States after the 2021 model year, then brought it back for 2024. Used examples from the early 2000 through 2021 are particularly well documented for longevity. If you can find a clean one with a verified maintenance history, you may be looking at the last vehicle purchase you ever need to make. Now here is the part that most car buying advice completely skips over, and I want you to pay attention because it changes how you evaluate every vehicle you look at from this point forward. It is not price that determines whether an SUV lasts. Some of the most expensive vehicles on the market fail inside the first 5 years of ownership. It is not brand prestige. A luxury badge does not protect a complex air suspension system from failing at 90,000 miles. It is not the technology package or the infotainment screen or the driver assist suite. What separates a vehicle that lasts from one that does not is engineering conservatism. The manufacturers behind the top vehicles on this list made a consistent choice over decades. Proven technology over novelty. Simpler is more durable. And durable is cheaper over time, regardless of what the sticker price says when you are standing on the lot trying to make a decision. Number 2, the Toyota 4Runner. Talk to any mechanic who works on high-mileage vehicles, and the 4Runner comes up without prompting. Consumer Reports rates it significantly more reliable than most vehicles in its class. RepairPal places it among the highest-rated SUVs for reliability in its segment. iSeeCars data shows a 26.8% predicted chance of reaching 250,000 miles, 3.5 times the average SUV. Owner reports of 270,000, 300,000 miles and higher are not rare in 4Runner communities. They are common enough to be unremarkable. The reason comes down to one engineering decision Toyota made and refused to walk back: keeping the 4Runner on a body-on-frame platform long after competitors switched to unibody crossover designs. That decision, which looked outdated to some observers at the time, turned out to be the decision that made all the difference. The 5th generation ran from 2010 to 2024 with minimal mechanical changes. That is not stagnation. That is confidence in a formula that works. Number 1, and if you have been paying attention, you already have a guess: the Toyota Sequoia. The data is unambiguous. iSeeCars studied nearly 400 million vehicles. The Sequoia came out on top with a 39.1% predicted chance of reaching 250,000 miles. The industry average is 4.8%. The Sequoia is more than 8 times as likely to hit 250,000 miles as the average vehicle on the road today. 8 times. The Sequoia's dominance in the iSeeCars data is not a statistical fluke. It is the result of the same conservative engineering philosophy that shows up across every top vehicle on this list. Maintenance costs run below the segment average. Owner communities regularly report original powertrains running clean past 300,000 miles. If you are buying one vehicle and intend to drive it as long as it will take you, this is the one the data points to every single time. Here is what this list tells you, and it is worth sitting with for a moment. 3 of the 5 vehicles are Toyotas. All 3 share something important: conservative engineering, well-understood platforms, and a manufacturer that chose not to chase trends at the expense of durability. The Suburban earned its spot by being built like a truck because it essentially is one. The CR-V earned its spot through mechanical simplicity deployed at massive scale. None of these vehicles are the flashiest thing on the lot. Some of them are not even the most exciting to drive. But they are what every mechanic who has been doing this long enough will tell you to buy when you ask the right question. Not which SUV looks the best. Which one will still be running when everything else is gone? Buy once. Drive it for life. If this changed how you think about your next vehicle purchase, subscribe and hit the bell. Every video on this channel is built around one goal: making sure you walk into that dealership knowing more than the person on the other side of the desk.